Hello and welcome to the Cleaning Expo 2024. Let's have a look what they had.
Ziggy from Streamline, and we're at the window cleaning show today for the Cleaning Expo, and we're primarily promoting our window cleaning and pressure washing vans are fully set up and ready to go.
Here we have the GVS stand, probably the busiest stand in the show. I did have some mic trouble, so I might not have got everybody's interviews, but here is the busiest stand in the show. And there's Mark Munro, just sitting there having a beer. These aren't necessarily taken in order, so he wasn't drinking at 10 o'clock. Next we have the one and only Green Army. PWS, fantastic pressure washer suppliers coming from Stafford.
Hi guys, Darren Ansbro from DA Components. We're at the Cleaning Expo today, and we've launched the new Edge range of brushes, and it's gone down an absolute storm. And this is the first time I'm actually having a break. I've had 2 cups of tea and they've gone cold, so I've actually just got my 3rd cup of tea, and I'm actually going to start drinking it now. So here we go. Wow, that was much needed, and nice to see you, Dave. How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, Aaron.
Excellent.
Hello everyone.
I'm here with Jake. Say hello, Jake.
Hello everyone.
Are you enjoying the show, Jake?
We haven't even looked around yet.
Have you not seen anything, Jake?
Everyone's packing up, and I think we're a bit late, aren't we?
And are you doing your live stream on Monday?
Yes, every
So
Monday.
if anybody hasn't seen it, Jake does a live stream every Monday.
YouTube.com/smelt.
Just look for Smout pressure washing.
Yeah.
You'll find it.
Yeah. Every Monday night, 7:30, after the video uploads.
My name is Chris Lawler, owner of Pure Seal, and we're here selling some fantastic chemicals at a fantastic price.
My name is Mike from Pure Seal. I help Chris with the training, the two of us do it together. We've had a lot of interest on the courses today, a lot of interest in the chemical. We've been absolutely wiped out, so all the biocides, whole lot gone.
Completely sold out, smashed it.
Yeah.
Job done.
And you do a lot of training.
We do. We've got
What accreditations you get with your training?
so Module 1 and Module 2 approved applicator courses are NEBOSH endorsed, Sitting Guilds assured, CPD approved and approved applicator, of course. And we've also got the Biocide training course, which is also Sitting Guild assured.
This is Spotless Water, providing pure water to the window cleaning trade throughout the country. Here's the Spring Europe stand, the one and only pump and hose reel controller you're ever going to need. They're absolutely fantastic with the V16. If you want to organise your customers, send quotes or invoices, look no further than Squeegee. Another supplier here from Devon is Blade Right. They'll supply you with all your window cleaning and pressure washing, general cleaning requirements. Really helpful and very, very knowledgeable.
Hi mate, my name's Luke and this is Chemwear, chemical resistant clothing.
You have been having a good show.
Yes, very good. It's my first time actually coming here. I've come here with Chris from Pure Seal. Yeah, so it's been eye-opening, love it. Yeah, it's been really well, mate.
Good. I will take a flyer.
Here we have Marshall Pro, the roof scraping equipment, a fantastic range of roof scrapers, but we're also now using air This is something I'm really interested in and hoping and going and meeting up with Pete from Marshall Pro and doing a video just on using the air and brushes to clean roofs. Next we have Equipped to Clean with a full range of cleaning equipment including pressure washers, gutter vacs, solar panel cleaning, car detailing, all sorts of things. They've got an absolutely fantastic stand here this year. Here we have the great lads from Howden's, that was formerly A-Plan, with your insurance, and I've got to say they had the best giveaways of the day. We have Rutland Pumps with their WaterTech range. It's their in-house brand and all absolutely fantastic pressure washers. Don't forget that the show is pet friendly as well.
Rob Green, I work for a company called More Clean. We are manufacturers of bin wash cleaning equipment.
And have you got material at the show?
We've had quite a lot of interest from window cleaners that want to expand their business, so yeah, it's been good.
Hi Dave, Mike Witherspoon from GK Products. We manufacture cleaning chemicals, external restoration chemicals and other products. We're mainly pushing our fabulous dose steamer at the show, which is really the smart way of getting our chemicals onto roofs, onto patios, onto any bit of the built environment. So, come along to our website, have a look, some deals on there. Hope to see you all soon.
Today.
We are Waterworks Winter Cleaning with Power Up 3D chain.
And are you having a good show?
Yes, we are having a brilliant show. It's very good.
Here we have one of the biggest stands at the show, which was Spinner Clean, featuring their pressure washers, gutter vacs and roof cleaning equipment. Another fantastic stand from Spinner Clean. past the Wagtail stand, who also had a display outside. Pure Freedom were here with their Real Master and their window cleaning trolley.
Hello, I'm Kim from Absolute Clean and we're selling smart graffiti today. Smart graffiti remover for everything.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
How's it going?
Yeah, really well actually.
My name's Ben and I am from Cleaners Whistle Training Solutions. We train cleaning company owners and biohazardous cleaning.
Thank you very much. Are you having a good show?
I'm having a very good show. Have you had a good day yourself?
Oh yeah, very good, thank you.
Fantastic.
I'm Brady and I'm from Quick Hose, and we're here today displaying our unique wing lock hose connectors.
Brilliant, thank you, Brady.
Thanks.
I'm Daniel from Hero Softwash and we make soft washing simple.
And are you having a good show?
Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. Nice to see you though.
And you?
Gavin from E-Pig Cleaning Products, just selling everything a professional urban cleaner needs, and also a little bit more, a couple of gimmicks. Yeah, we've had a really good day.
Hello, it's Andy from Plastic Workshop. We're here advertising our product, which is an oven cleaning dip tank. If you ever get your ovens cleaned, they'll take all the grill, the hob, all the parts out of the oven. They'll dip them in one of these, so you need one of these tanks if you want to do oven cleaning. And we're selling these today.
So we are Kingdom Canvassing, and we are the most reputable canvassing company in the UK. So what we do is generate bespoke round builds for window cleaners.
Is it going well?
It's going brilliantly, yes.
That's
yeah,
good.
It's been booming.
Yeah,
we've had a great day. Yeah, absolutely brilliant.
My name is Sean and this is Luke. We're from the Cleaning Up Window Cleaning Supplies. Just all your regular basic supplies, screws, rubbers, washers, water, pole equipment.
Have you had a good show?
Very good show. Yeah, very show. Good day.
Right, I've got Rob here from the helm of Awesome Window Cleaning. How's it going, Rob? Yeah, really good. Thanks, and yourself? Good, yeah. Are you enjoying the show?
Yeah, it's been really good, really useful. Lots of great stands here, lots of good information. So
You spent all your money?
Spent a bit, yeah. I've tried to refrain myself. I could have spent a lot more.
Make sure you check out Rob's YouTube channel.
Hi there, my name is Daniel. I'm from Pro Grip and we make grips for all different equipment, including lens holders, pole holders, gutter pole holders, flat surface cleaners, so on and so forth.
Here we have Somberg making diesel hot water heaters for window cleaners, a Midland-based firm, and at very reasonable prices. Space Vac were here, who unfortunately had some logistic problems, but still came out with a very good display.
Right, so I'm from Nord Chemicals. We're a chemical manufacturer, basically for carpet cleaning chemicals. So we have all our products here. We do a range of pre-sprays, rinses, deodorizers, that kind of thing. And what we also do is Combat Clean, which is behind you, which is more of our economy range as well. So it's not got the best dilution rates. The Nord products are our best dilution rates, and that's basically what we do at Nord.
Van Diemen's were here, who sell new and used vans to the trade. And finally we have Ashley Mack promoting his cleaning industry training. I'd just like to say sorry if I've missed anybody, and hopefully we'll catch you on the next video.